Champagne.
Welcome to the first day of rehearsals for our adaptation of Jekyll Hyde, and I think we should start by introducing ourselves.
Hello, my name is Jack Riley and I'll be playing Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde.
Same person?
Same person.
Same person.
What? We're in the ending.
Oh, Jacob.
Hello, my name is Jacob Poplowski. I'll be playing Champagne Charlie and also Actor 1.
My name is Koko and I will be playing Burlington Bertie from Bo.
Hi, I'm Hal Chambers. I'm the Associate Director of this incarnation of Jekyll Hyde.
My name's Michael. I'm responsible for the adaptation of the novel. Jack, first day of rehearsal. What are you looking forward to?
I'm very much looking forward to working on the adaptation. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde is something that everyone is pretty familiar with and has a certain idea of what it should look like. I'm looking forward to kind of ripping it apart, making it fresh and inventive and hopefully exciting for new young audiences.
Thank you. Coco, you and Jacob are playing these kind of facilitator, narrator roles. When you first read the script, what stood out for you in terms of your character?
My character in particular. I think I liked the quick kind of smart responses and just the aloofness to my character a little bit. I like how modern it is in a piece that's quite period. And I think our relationship is just something that can be seen amongst relationships today. So I'm intrigued to see how we can push and create that.
Thank you. Jacob, you're playing... It's almost like you two are a double act, isn't it? And, you know, the book was... The novella was written in the 1860s when musical was the main form of entertainment. And you two, in the writing of it, come across as Jacob and Koko double act. In terms of rehearsing, what are you looking forward to?
In the rehearsal space, I'm just looking forward to seeing what comes off the page and what we create from it. Because it's not, when I was reading it, I don't think it's the sort of thing where it's like, right, this is exactly how it's done and this is how this line's meant to be done. I know that we're all going to contribute to it. And I'm also, like you said, interested about this relationship because it's very much bouncing off each other, and then also how that relationship kind of breaks down as it goes on. I think we've got to set that as being that we're really close, and we're like a double act, and then as it goes on and my character takes it a bit more seriously, gets a bit wrapped up in it, that sort of breaks down. Yeah. And I'm really excited about that.
Thanks, Jacob. Hal, welcome.
Hello.
When you first read the adaptation of it, what kind of things struck you? You know, from a directing point of view, what could you see in terms of reading?
Well, I think there's a strong sense of like genre here, riffing off the like musical but with a modern riff, but also leaning into like the gothic nature of what the novella like gives out. And I think for me it'd be a really fun experiment seeing how those two things really merge, the musical double act skit based stuff that then disintegrates, and then really going deep into the gothic and kind of horror. Like if this play isn't a bit scary, then I think maybe we failed. We want to make audiences feel stuff about these characters and the ideas, the kind of pretty deep and quite modern ideas really about who we are in our duplicity as people. It's a very modern idea. So I think, I'm looking forward to getting stuck into some deep genre stuff.
Thank you. And I think, you know, with Jack playing Dr. Jekyll, he has got this massive challenge of making the audience believe that he becomes somebody else. And the whole running time is about 55, 60 minutes. So there's a short window to be convincing in those transformations. So no pressure. But is that how are you seeing that, Jack, in terms of as an actor? Is that scary or sort of exciting?
Yeah, a little bit of both. It's a big challenge. I imagine we'll have to find Mr. Hyde kind of together, and to get a grips to the darkest part of ourselves or in the back of our minds or the things we see in society, and go, okay, what are the things that really terrify us, and what are the things that we see that everybody has the capability of becoming if they go down the wrong way. I'm looking forward to finding that.
Anyway, we'll touch base again on a daily basis in rehearsal, and we'll see how this story comes off the page.